Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to follow a thread in Gmail. In Gmail, you automatically follow threads that you start, reply to, or are mentioned in. But what if you want to follow other threads or unfollow a specific thread? Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Spaces. Step 3. Next, tap on Rooms. Step 4. Now, select the space where the thread you want to follow or unfollow is located. Step 5. Inside the space, you'll see various messages and replies. To open the thread panel, simply tap on the message or the replies related to the thread you're interested in. Step 6. At the top right corner of the thread panel, you'll find a series of options. Step 7. If you want to follow a thread and receive notifications, tap on Follow. Step 8. Conversely, if you wish to stop receiving notifications for a thread, tap on Following to unfollow it. Following these steps will help you manage your thread notifications effectively and stay on top of important conversations in Gmail. Note: remember that you automatically follow threads you start, reply to, or are mentioned in. These steps are for following or unfollowing additional threads based on your preferences.